everyone, and you're welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be talking about perfumes under rupees 200. If you don't already know, I am a huge perfume hoarder. I love to have like amazing perfume collections, and if you are somebody too who is looking for good perfumes but you don't want to invest in very high-end brands, or if you don't want to invest much on perfumes, I think 200 is a good budget for most of us, especially the college students, the school students, and for that matter anybody who doesn't want to invest much on perfumes. So of course you're going to get a lot of perfumes, but the recommendations here I have are like the best ones that I feel like, and if you are looking for something like this, I hope the video helps you. Also, so the first recommendation that I have for you is this. It's the Jovan Musk for Women. Retails for 175 rupees. I don't know the MRP now, like I purchased this long time back. I remember applying this in my school days and during standard 8th and 9th, and I absolutely loved it. This is a fragrance that not everybody would like it's not a very universal kind of appealing fragrance. If you are somebody who likes musk, you should definitely go for this. I remember going for the white variant, but because of its unavailability I had to end up with this, but this also smells amazing. It's a light fragrance. It's something that lingers with you. It's not something that you apply and people ask you what are you wearing. It's not a very strong fragrance, so of course your body doesn't leave a bad odor, because this is something that's this smells clings with your body, and this becomes like your own body fragrance, if you understand. So yeah, if you are somebody who likes musky kind of fragrance, go for this. You can also try the white variant from this, it's equally good. The next recommendation that I have is the Ti Amo. That's the Secret Temptations Ti Amo range. I am with the fragrance Aqua, and I love this. Like, it smells so fresh, so sea-like. It's more like water, sea, fresh, breezy kind of. That's how it smells. I mean, I don't know how to describe perfumes, but yeah, if you're somebody who wants a fresh kind of perfume, definitely go for this. Next recommendation that I have for you is the Iba Halal perfume. It's this. It's not really a perfume, it's more like a roll-on. So you just have to get this. This is how the roller looks like, and you just need to roll this, and it smells amazing. Like, if I have to describe it, it's like Davidoff, the famous Davidoff School Water variant. It smells exactly like that, but just in 200 rupees. So I remember back in 2012 I was a huge fan of Davidoff, Cool Water Davidoff, and it was something very expensive for me at that time. I couldn't really afford it, and I wish I had alternatives like this. Now I try this, and even if you don't know how the Davidoff smells, this is more like water aqua smell. And I am not a very floral and sweet kind of fragrance lover. I like something that's more energetic, or more aqua based, or more fresh, or more towards the musk side. That's like my preference. So if you're somebody who likes such kind of fragrance, you can definitely go for. The next recommendation is my favorite of all. I wish I had purchased it even earlier, and guess what I'm talking about? I'm talking about this one. It's the Miniso's Joy Portable Perfume in Strawberry Champagne. I'm almost half done with it. I absolutely love this. The fragrance is so amazing, just takes me back to almost each and every memory. Like, I can just relate to so many memories with this. It's a fragrance that even if you are smelling for the first time, takes you, like, this since a long time. ये बहुत अच्छा है. I mean, I think Miniso has other variants also, but do try, like, definitely if you're going for one, I would tell you to pick this one. It's the Strawberry Champagne. Like, if I had to suggest you one fragrance, just close your eyes and go for this. Like, I cannot even describe how it smells like. Yes, it has like a hint of strawberry in it, but along with it, a lot of freshness, and I mean, I simply don't know how to describe this. This is just amazing. It smells so good. I love this. The next recommendation I have for you is the Jive perfumes. Like, I don't know where have I lost the caps, but these are the Jive deodorants. They are not perfumes, they are deodorants. But these two, especially these two fragrance, the first one is Crush. This is Crush and this is Mischief. Both of them smells so good. Pretty affordable. You get it for rupees 129. It's so light, like you apply it, it's not very long lasting I'd say, but it does last for like 5 hours max, and that I think is fine. You can just reapply it. I love its smell. It's so feminine. It's like so feminine, girly, cosmetic and sweet kind of fragrance. I just love something more feminine. Go for this. If you're looking for a normal but a good perfume, then go for this one. That's the Mischief one. I have tried their other fragrance also, but these two would be my top. Next perfume that I have is the Engage perfume spray in W2. I got this on the recommendation of Saloni Srivastav. So I was in the stores and I just found this and I felt like dropping it in my cart, and I did. I haven't used much of it, thoda use kiya hai, but it smells really good. I have applied it on so many of my clothes and the smell does last on clothes for a long time. So of course it's not a body spray. अगर तुम इसे क्लोथ्स में स्प्रे करो तो ये ज़्यादा टाइम के लिए लास्ट करता है, एंड आई लाइक द फ्रेग्रेंस. It's nice, like, yeah. The next fragrance that I have is this one. It's the Layers Water Girl, and I'm in the fragrance Pure Paradise. It smells really good. It's the only variant among the lot which is unisex, and it's like one of those common strong fragrance for boys and girls. That's how I can describe it. Yes, it's like woody, it's aqua, it's energetic, it's fresh. This is like those typical boys perfume, but with a comfortability for girls as well. So I would tell you to go for this. There is also a variant Mystic Island from this. I have heard a lot of positive reviews about it, so you can check that out if you want to. So yeah, those were my top recommendations. I hope you found the video helpful. Of course, I do understand it's not very convenient for most of us to purchase perfumes based on online recommendations, but having said that, all these perfumes have been reviewed so positive on the websites as well as other online stores, and most of them are above 4 stars. Also, I've tried my best to describe the scent. It's not really possible to tell you the exact fragrance, but yeah, you can still go for it according to your personalities or according to your taste. If you're somebody who likes musk or floral or sweet or sea or aqua, I have tried to include all of them, so I hope it would serve your purpose and found the video helpful. And if you did, then please do not forget to share it with your friends who need this, and also do not forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.